Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. And this is a message from Shomus Biology to all of you to have a very safe and happy Diwali to you and your family. Have a great time ahead, great weekend ahead, and be safe, stay safe, and may this Diwali fulfill all your wish and your life be colorful. And also hope to see you qualifying CSIR NET examination. And if you wish to get help from Shomus Biology, then I have a good news for you. Two updates. One update is that I have a free lecture series for CSI Net dedicatedly made for all the 13 units for you, which I'll be uploading from next week onwards. That you are going to get it in my channel. So please subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notifications so that you get to know about the videos that I publish regarding CSI Net Life Science strategies and tips and tricks. And second thing, for those who want a paid service, then our online coaching registration is already started, and you can start your registration at the early time. The earlier you join, the faster you get the materials and you can start your preparation in the first place. So thank you everyone and wish you a very happy Diwali.